Guys, for claiming internet charges for Infosys, you have to go in Infimi app and choose claim submission. Now you have to click on plus icon and choose non-travel claims. Now you have to choose your company as Infosys Limited in India, and your reason will be the place where you are getting training, TC center, and event is all other claims. Now claim name is internet claim or internet charge, what you are going to what you like, you can write it, and here you have to choose add new expenses. Okay, now you have to attach your receipt for you have three option in that. You can choose any option. I am choosing attach from phone. I have downloaded it and I attached it. Now you have to choose internet charges. Now add. So see here you have to choose from first day of the month to the last date of the month, r- irrespective of whether when you have recharged your bill. Okay, now location will be the your hometown home location where you are getting training as work from home, and your amount will be maximum of 1000 rupees, and but you have to write on that amount which is written on your receipt. Now bill number will be in your receipt only, you can type it there. This is a random number I have written. Now percentage of official use is 100%, and connection type is production support. Project code will be provided by your batch owner. I am randomly typing a word. Now add it. Now you have to give your submit proceed button. Now click OK. Yeah, here your unit approval name will be provided by batch owner. You have to type it, and remember that your bill should be in PDF format. Okay, now you have to choose digital bill payment. Okay, because you are giving the receipt, and then you will get your claim in 4 days after next month. Firstly, it will take oh, 2 weeks. Now subscribe my channel, and here the receipt is there, which tells that within 4 days you will get your